Hi! With MRPeasy Professional Edition, it is possible to add custom fields to your database. You can add custom fields, for example, to stock items, customers, and serial numbers to store extra information that is important for you. Custom fields can be configured at Settings, System Settings, Custom Fields. You can define what sort of values will be stored in the custom field, if it's free text, a date, number, or a choice from predefined values. In addition, it's possible to choose on which documents these fields will be printed, or for more detailed control from the PDF editor by editing the specific layout of a document. Once a custom field is created, for example, for your items database, it can be displayed in the items table, used for searching, and you can fill it when you open an item's details page. In this video, we demonstrated how to use custom fields functionality. To learn more about MRPeasy, please see our other videos. Thanks for watching.